Every beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. There are only a few males in the hive. Most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. These bees work all day. They make the hive and also look after the baby bees. They also they fly around flowers in search of nectar. They collect nectar from flowers for honey. When one bee finds flowers with nectars, it does a special kind of dance by which the other bees can know where the nectar is. The worker bees are very important for the hive. Without worker bees, there would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. All bees in the hive would go hungry. The male bees have no special roles as workers. So here it is said that the role of worker bees are very important. What are they? What they do? They make the hive and also they look after the babies and they fly around the flowers in search of nectar, and when they collect nectar from flowers for the honey, and when they find the flowers, they make they does a special kind of dance that others bees attract to that flower. And the worker bees are very important for the hive. Without worker bees, there would be there would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. The beehive would go, the other bees would be hungry if the worker bee would not be there. There is no special work of male bees. Which are some other insects that live together in the group like honeybees. So these would be ants, wasps, and ants, wasps, and honeybees. There are three types of insects that live together in a group. Ants live and work together like honeybees. The queen ant lays the egg. The soldier ants look after and guard the ants' nest. Worker ants are always busy looking for food and bringing it to the nest. Termites and wasps also live like this. This is ant. Sorry. This is ant. This is wasp, and these are termite. These also live together in a group. Have you seen where ants live? Ants live in ant hill or under the ground. What kind of eatable brings ant to them? List them. Ants are attracted to things like sugar, bread, grains, and also dead insects. Look at the line of ants. What is it color? Ants are of black, brown, and red color. So the line would also be the black, brown, or red color. Role of worker bees: they make the beehive, collected the nectar, take care of the babies. The role of queen bee: they only lays eggs. The role of male bees: no such important role. This is the picture of honeybees. Watch carefully. This is the queen bee. This is the queen. This is the bigger than other. This is the bigger bee than others. Other honeybee. This is the male, shorter than honeybee, shorter than the queen, and the worker bees are small. Have you been bitten by an ant? When? What was the ant like? Black or red? Big or small? So you can say, once I was bitten by a red ant and that was small. Do ants ever come near you? When? Yes, when sugar, sweets or something eatable are lying around us. Look carefully Add some big and small ants. How many legs does an ant have? So the answer is the big and small. Both ants have 6 legs. Now draw an ant in your notebook and color it. While eating peanuts, you probably throw away the shells. Why don't you try to make some insects by using the shells? Do not forget to color them. So this is your an activity for you. And dear student, this was the complete explanation of the chapter. I hope you understand this chapter. I hope you have learned so many things about the honeybees.